So here we are considering the export demand schedule. So this is basically P bar by E. So this is P bar by E, price of export. Now P bar by E is equal, this can be denoted by P or so this can be denoted by capital P, suppose. So P is equal to P bar by E. So this is the price of exportables. Now as the price of exportable is increasing, then demand for export will be declining. So then export demand schedule is also a negativity slope schedule. Now suppose there is a devaluation. Now devaluation means E is rising. Now E is the nominal exchange rate. This is rupees versus dollar. Now as E is rising, that means the value of E is rising. So suppose initially E was rupees 70 per dollar. Now E is rupees 80 per dollar. That means E is rising. So there is a devaluation of the home currency, devaluation of rupees. So now E is rising. So there is a devaluation in the economy. So in the home country, so devaluation of the home country's currency. So then when devaluation is occurring in the home country, then what will happen to the export and import? That we want to check. So here if we consider the import demand schedule, now in neither of the axis E is there. So therefore when E is rising, then what will happen? This E P bar star will be rising. Now E P bar star rises means that the price of importables are rising. So when in price of importables are rising, then overall demand for importables will be falling. But there is no E in either of the MD axis and P bar star axis. So there will be a shift of the import demand schedule, downward shift of the import demand schedule. So now P bar star, there is no change in P bar star. So P bar star is here, suppose. So there is no change in P bar star, only E is rising, and that is why the import demand schedule is falling. Demand schedule is shifting downward. So in that case, at the same P bar star, initially import demand was MD naught, suppose. Now the import demand decreases to MD1, but P bar star is remaining constant. So what will happen to the volume of import? Initially volume of import was O P bar star times O MD naught. So this was the total volume of import. Now because of the devaluation of the rupees, the demand curve is shifting downwards, and that is why the import demand is falling, but P bar star is remaining constant. So then the import volume after the devaluation is O P bar star times O MD1. So therefore what we can say, O P bar star, then this is A suppose and this is B. O P bar star A MD naught is definitely greater than O P bar star B MD1. Then what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is that if there is a devaluation of the home currency, then the demand for import will fall. Definitely there will be a fall in the demand for import. So import falls when E rises. This is our conclusion about the import. Now let us consider the export demand schedule. Now when E is rising, that is devaluation of the rupees is taking place, then P bar by E is, so initially suppose P bar by E was here. So this is P bar by E. And then the export demand, total export demand was this, XD naught. Now since E is rising, the denominator is rising, therefore this whole thing is falling. So P bar by E is falling. So suppose the P bar by E is falling here, from here to here. So suppose this is P bar by E1, this is P bar by E2. So at the new P bar by E2, what is the export demand? The export demand rises to XD1. So the price of export is falling, but demand for export is rising. So initially what was the export volume? Initially at P bar by E1, the export volume was, suppose this is A, this is B, or denoted by C and D. So initially the export volume, the total export volume was O, P bar by E1, then C, X D naught, and now O P bar by E2, D X D. Now we do not know which rectangular area is greater. If this is greater, if this rectangle, if this area of this rectangle is greater than this, then we can say that the export volume is falling. But if this is less than this, then we have to say that export demand is rising. So we are not sure about the volume of, about the effect of devaluation on the export demand. So we cannot say about anything about the export, the effect of devaluation of export. But surely there will be a fall in import when there is a devaluation. But when there is a devaluation, we do not know whether export demand will increase or export demand will be rising, that is for sure, but what will be the effect on the export, total export volume, that we do not know. And that will depend on the elasticity of the export schedule and import schedule. So that we will see later.